Okay. Let's see. What did I get done tonight? I got the sinks drilled. So those are all done. I got the handle support installed, sanded, caulked, screwed in. So that's done. Oh, I got the water lines to the spigots in. You can kind of see how the drainage is going to work off of the sinks. So then basically stub the water supply lines out to the other side. I'm going to have to get some splices, and then once I get the rest of the water line installed, and the water supply and all that stuff. So got a little more done tonight than I did last night, so it's looking better.